Cajun Seafood Boil Sauce.
We will start with the Cajun seasoning, paprika, lemon pepper, sugar, chili powder, Old Bay seasoning, corn, garlic, butter, coconut soda, and shrimp. First of all, we're gonna blend this one. This one, basically we're gonna use like 1.4 cup. So basically we're gonna have 1.4 cup to blend together with this. But this one is gonna be extra in case we need it. We need to add on later. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend it. Hold on. So everything together.
Dynamite.
Huh?
Dynamite.
So next step, we're gonna move to ready to start our sauce. Let's go. So first of all, we're gonna start with the butter. This is gonna be 5 spoons of the butter. Just gonna dump everything in. Wow, that's gonna be. Give me back the phone. Let's just let it melt real quick. Okay. So in this one, I just prefer you guys to go to the lower heat. Okay. We're gonna go with the Cajun powder, paprika, sugar, lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, and the chili powder. This one is gonna be if you guys like it more spicy, you guys can add it more. But right now I just get half tablespoon because I don't want it to be so spicy at all. So we can enjoy this. I just gonna add in a little, not a lot. Smells so good. We're just gonna dump all the butter in. I think it's already spicy. And then we will go.
Butter.
So it's gonna cool off. So you want me to add more?
To watch more, subscribe.